I'm Dean Hempshall and I'm a Senior Solutions Manager for Selwood Limited. This project that you're seeing today is Canwick Sewage Treatment Works, where we provided an overpumping solution for At1 Alliance to allow them to complete their works.
My name's Steve Walker, I'm a Pump Solutions Manager for Selwood Limited. This project I was involved in the planning stage with the client, putting all the pumps together, building the solution, putting everything in place.
On this project, my role was to help aid with the design and the pump selection, and then once we got onto the installation phase, help manage the installation with the install manager on site.
I'm Bradley Nunn, I'm the Selwood Installation Manager for the Central Region. An installation manager will manage all the teams within this area. He will take part in the planning stages of the jobs, organise the job packs, the RAMs, safe systems of works, communicate that to the team in pre-start meetings, and we also provide the on-site support and coaching for all the teams.
My name's Michael Cope and I'm a Senior Installation Supervisor for Selwood. As a Senior Installation Supervisor, we do safe systems of work on site, making sure that we do daily briefings and also making sure that everyone's on the same page with the objectives that we've got for that particular day.
My name is Aaron Merry, I'm a mobile electrician for Selwood. As a mobile electrician in Selwood, I travel around the region installing pumps and maintaining them.
During the initial site meeting, we decided that there's the application required submersible pumps.
Putting the pumps into the wet well, we had lots of challenges because the depth of the wet well is 10 metres deep. So we had to get the cranes to lift the pumps into position because of the weight and the size of them.
There was 4 pumps involved in this project and we electrically test them before they go in the well and also functionally check them.
The pumping station was left running the whole time while we was carrying out the installation. Once the installation was in place, then that's when we took one pump offline and then connected one of our pumps up, made sure that worked, and then we took the next pump offline and so on and so on.
The scale of the project spans 600 metres from the main inlet works pumping station to the top of the works across the other side of the main road.
The crossing was 6 metres high and 26 metres long. So that was a challenging process, but with how we got things in place before and the correct lifting that we had for putting that in place worked really well.
In-house we have Revit CAD design, which was one of the biggest things that was a huge help on this project for us.
The staff that we use in the background with the solutions managers, the Revit drawing specialist and the directors team that we've also got for Selwood, they make the process easier for us when we're on site. So they look into a lot of it, build the process, and that gives us a lot of insight for ourselves to put the installation in place and make it to what it does do when we're doing bigger projects.
The most satisfying jobs I find are the bigger jobs because there's a lot more involved in it, and it's just to see the end project once you put the project together, and the customer's happy. That's what I'm concerned about.
I enjoyed the technical challenges, discussing with the teams the problems that arose in terms of how we're actually going to make certain connections, because they weren't straightforward. We had to work at height, we had to plan the widths so we can split it all up. I enjoyed that aspect of the problem solving.
Selwood's best place to deliver a project to this size because we've got in-house CAD design, in-house installation teams, project management and a huge fleet of equipment.